There are three ways of detecting whether you have a spy app. One is to install an antivirus app or a security app. Another is to check your device admin apps to find out if there are apps which you haven't installed. Third is to check if your Google Play Protect is on or off. It has to be on. And as an additional step, you can also check your battery usage status to see which app is using the most. So we'll visit all these steps. First, let's go to Google Play Store and search for Lookout and Security app. So you have to install this app. This is much better, lightweight and effective compared to other antivirus app in the Google Play Store like McAfee or Norton. I had a problem of ads on my lock screen. I searched for many apps. I installed many apps, McAfee, Norton. None of them were able to detect. But after I installed Lookout and scanned, and it was able to detect the app in less than few seconds. So it is really effective. Install and scan. It should help you identify if there is any harmful or spy app on your phone. The second step is to go to settings and search for device admin apps. This will show us the list of apps that you have installed. There will be no system app in this. So if you find some app with a strange name like settings, health, calculator or any other name, just uninstall that app. Probably that's one of the spy apps that's installed on your phone. To uninstall, you have to first disable that app from device admin privilege and then go and uninstall it. If somebody installs a spy app on your phone, he will disable Google Play Security Scan. So to detect that, search for Google Play Security, and if there is any harmful app, it will give you a notification like this and ask you to uninstall. To check if security is enabled or not, press on the top icon. It will show if it's enabled or not. So if it's not enabled, make sure it's enabled so that it will detect and throw an alert later saying it has detected harmful app on your phone. And finally, make sure you check the battery usage status. For that, click on battery, click on top 3 button and click on battery usage. This could be different in different mobile. This is Google Pixel and it's in here, and it will list all the apps that's using maximum battery. And if you find an app with a strange name which you haven't installed, then that could be one of the potential spy apps. Since it reads too many information in background and keeps sending it to server, there's high probability of that app being here. So one of these four should tell you if there is a spy app installed on your phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video soon. Have a nice time.